This is day 3 of learning advanced InShot video editing. In this series, we are going to be recovering InShot from the zero level to a hero level. So if you want to learn InShot professionally, then follow this series, and after watching this series, you will be able to make your editing so expensive and so professional. So now let's start the video. Hi video editors. Today we're gonna practically learn everything about the transitions existed in the InShot application. So I selected these two photos, and then you have to click on this OK option here. When you click on it here, you have a page like this. You have this kind of interface. Now I'm going to teach you how to add the transitions between one photo to another photo, or from one video to another video practically. So for adding transitions, you have to click on this place. When you click on this place, you are gonna have a bunch of transitions available in the InShot application. So let's check some of them and practically teach you how they are. Like the first category, we have the basic transitions like this. As you can see here, like it is like transferring our transition. Now if I click on the second one, this is like making our transition black, and if I click on this one, this is making our transition white. This is making our transition white. And if I click on this fourth one, it is like becoming in a circle way. It is like zooming the circle toward us. And if you click on this one, this is sliding from the left side to the right side. And if I click on this one, it is like sliding from the right side to the left side, and again like this from the top to the bottom, and from bottom to the top, and also like this side by side. It is like swiping away side by side like this. As you can see, here are a lot of options. And if we come to the super option, as you can see, I click on the first one, it is like zooming our images or videos or whatever, and then it is changing the transition. And if we click on this one, this is zoom in. The first one is zooming out, the second one is zooming in toward us. And if we click on this one, this is flipping our images by the transition. And there are a bunch of more transitions. As you can see, I'm gonna show them to you practically like this. Now here we have the film transitions. I have turned off my data. If I turn it on, it's gonna work. The film transitions are not downloaded in my InShot application, but the other are downloaded, like glitch. If you click on it, it is like glitching between one scene to another scene by the transition. And if I click on this one, as you can see, this one is my favorite one because this looks so professional, and that this one makes our video look expensive. And if I click on this one, as you can see, this is like glitching our scene. And this one is also top motivational speakers are using this transition in the b-rolls. And if we click on this one, as you can see, it is like sliding. It is like and if you click on this one, this is also a beautiful and better transition. And again, if you click on this one, you are gonna have like this kind of result. And also here are a bunch more transitions like these. As you can see, I'm gonna practically show them to you. As you can see on the background like this. This is like 3D space. It is working like 3D models. As you can see, it is coming from the left side to the right side, and if I click on this one, then this is zooming out my first image and then zooming in my second scene. As you can see, the first one is zooming out and the second one is zooming in toward us, toward the screen. And now if we come to the geometric transitions, these are also like so powerful, like it is like being designed as motion graphics. It looks so professional. If you want to use it, it will make your video so expensive, so amazing. You have to use it. And if I click on this one, as you can see, this one is also so beautiful because this looks expensive. This makes your editing so expensive. If I click on this one is also so beautiful. This is another one that is my beautiful one, that is my favorite one. And most of the people are using this transition in their videos, in short form videos. If I click on this one, as you can see, this is like rotating and then bringing our second scene to us. And if I click on this one, this is like rotating, our video, our image horizontally, and then bringing our second scene to us. This is becoming in a star mood. And the third one is the blur. And another transitions we have, that is blur transitions, like this. When you click on it, they are blurring our first image, then appearing our second scene. And if I click on the another option, this is like making our video a little darker and then bringing our second scene. And if I click on this one, this is like whitening our scene. As you can see here, so beautiful, so beautiful transitions in this InShot application. You can use them to make your video 10x more beautiful and expensive, like this. They look so professional, as you can see. And now if I come to the fold option, this is like folding our the first image and appearing our second scene. As you can see here, this is like like when we're turning the page of the books. It looks like that, from the left side to the right side, from the top to the bottom, and from the bottom to the top. This one also looks a little beautiful. And here are a lot of more transitions, as you can see here, like distort. If I click on this one, this looks also so beautiful. And also one thing you have to remember, that by this area here, you can adjust the speed of the transition. You can adjust the speed of the, like this. It is like so faster. If I swipe it to the right side, it is like getting so slow. It is better to be at 1.1. And if I click on this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and now if we come to the paint option, like this, and here are so much other transitions, like dissolve, ripper paper, and also like slits. It is like slitting our images or videos, and then it is like shifting from one scene to another scene. Here we have the light transitions. This also looks so expensive, so beautiful. Like this. So now let's test the transitions with the videos. Like now let's check out how the videos are working. Like I am replacing the images with the videos, as you can see here. Now as you can see, our transition is already applied on it. If I come here and apply other transitions, like this one, this one, this one, and also like this one. This one is my favorite one. And also like this one. Here are so beautiful transitions. This one also looks so beautiful. As you can see, every transition is so expensive and so beautiful. This one also looks so professional, as you can see. And also if I click on this one also looks so expensive. Also this one. Wow, how beautiful. This is normal transitions like this. So this was the third video of learning advanced InShot video editing. If you want to learn more about InShot application, then you have to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification button to get the latest videos when I'm uploading on YouTube. So thank you everyone.